Hello everyone. This morning I am making a grain-free granola. Comes together really easy, just a couple of minutes. It stores for a decent amount of time. You should be able to get about a week or two out of it. Although I don't think it'll last that long. It never does around here. So, quick ingredients list. What you'll need is just about 1.5 cups of nuts. You can make all the same, or you can do different kinds. So right here I have almonds, cashews, walnuts, pecans, and hazelnuts. You'll also need some almond flour, cinnamon, a little bit of salt, vanilla, and maple syrup. So that's all you'll need ingredients wise. You want to line a pan with either parchment paper or foil because the maple syrup can get a little bit sticky, so you definitely want to cover your surface. And let's get into it.